Looking for the best dual fuel ranges? In this video we look at some of the top 3 dual fuel ranges on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Thorkitchen, 4.2 cubic feet freestanding professional style dual fuel range. Pros: has a substantial build and classic, straightforward controls. Offers convection cooking. Burner grates are also well made. Cons: not self-cleaning, and it only has 4 burners. The cooling fan is noisy. Bottom line: ideal for cooks who prefer traditional controls over digital control panels. The sturdy construction is also A+. At number 2. Kenmore Elite 5.5 cubic feet self-clean dual fuel range in stainless steel. Pros: spacious, yet it has a streamlined build. Includes a warming drawer. Distributes heat evenly on the 5-burner cooktop and in the oven. Cons: issues with the control panel malfunctioning have been reported. Bottom line: an attractive range by a trusted brand that offers plenty of cook space plus a warming drawer for added convenience. At number 1. GE 5.6 cubic feet dual fuel range. Pros: the power boil and tri-ring elements add versatility while the stainless steel top makes cleaning easier. Cons: oven takes a long time to warm up. Bottom line: a solid range for the cook who likes a convection option and needs extra room in the oven. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.